G'day, hike and seeker on Deepdene beach this morning. It's pretty cold, got my down jacket on, cold and windy, and I'm on my way to the finish line today. Cape Leeuwin, Augusta lighthouse. So yeah, about an 18k walk, about an 8k beach walk just coming up now. That's the Turner Brook there. And as you can see today, it's not running through to the ocean, so I don't have to take my shoes off, just keep on going. Quite a big swell coming through. I'm going to keep up on this top ledge here. A bit easier walking for a while, bit of a rock ledge. Yeah, that makes it a little bit easier. Very soft sand. Well, I'll be sorry to see the end of the beach walk now. I'm on some rocky ledge at the moment, a bit like a mini blowhole really. It's a bit firmer underfoot. Going along that way there, across all those rocks. Quite a big swell today. Very rocky section again. Quite cool. It's in the shadows of that up there. Yeah, as I keep pressing on across these rocks and watch how I tread. Saying goodbye to my long beach walk. This is the southern exit up off the beach. up through these sand dunes. There's a bit more climbing through soft sand, as if I hadn't done enough already. Been coming up this four-wheel drive track for a while now from the beach. And here's our turning here. There's a sign. And there's our track marker again. So we're on the right track. Don't know if you can see that. That's the first real glimpse of Leeuwin lighthouse. I don't know if you can see that there. It's Cape Leeuwin lighthouse. First real look at it. Probably a few, it looks pretty close. There's probably a few K away yet. Okay, at the southern sign-in station. So I'm not too far away now from the lighthouse, Cape Leeuwin. Yeah, it's been a tough day. The beach walk with the winter, you know, the sand gets really soft with the huge waves in the winter, so it makes it a lot heavier going. But anyway, I'm here now, and yeah, a couple more K to go to the lighthouse. One of the most photographed sections on this hike. A lot different to the summer. Masses of seaweed to get across. You can see the lighthouse over there. Not far to go now. Yeah. Very spectacular limestone overhangs. Going up off the beach for the last time today, I'm glad to say. Up the steps. Right, we're on almost flat ground again now. It's a bit farther to go. Across that way. That's it. Cape Leeuwin lighthouse. Hike and seeker, the end of my journey. Cape Leeuwin lighthouse behind me. Yeah, that's the end of my weekly segments. The last leg today, as I said earlier, was from Deepdene beach to here, and that was a walk of about 18 kilometres, and I'd say about 8 of that was on a very soft wintry beach. Anyway, I'm here, so thanks for watching. What comes next? Maybe the Bibbulmun track. I'll have to wait and see. Okay, hope to catch you on the next one. Bye.